Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 26th to August the 27th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So Capricorn, kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan, so Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Capricorn, let's magsimula na tayo. Bakit dito parang you learned how to play it cool. Cool not because you're playing it very well, but you're playing it a little cold. There you go. Parang you are giving back those coldness, no, na nararamdaman natin kay person. Siguro there is complacency, no, dito sa relationship. Kasi parang sa'yo, sinanay mo naman akong cold ka. So, either I lost my enthusiasm or baka ito na ako ngayon, no? Baka you changed me and probably I was changed without me knowing na from being warmed, now I am as cold as you, no? For a few numbers of you, meron ditong separations, whether it is physical or energetic. So, physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Baka nasa kabilang barangay, nasa kabilang baryo, no? Nasa kabilang bahay, nasa tapat. Physical separation. Energetic, hindi nag-uusap. Parang may naka-block, no? Parang sa'yo, okay, so I got used into it. I have no complaints. And I think it's right for me to give you the same energy. Although, ang nangyayari kasi dito, siguro na-realize mo, I feel free and I am happy without the person. Parang meron ng mixture ng, of course, somewhat, no, namimiss kasi person merong longing, no, because probably matagal na rin yung pinagsamahan. However, yung sabihin nating freedom na na-experience mo ngayon, kahit may loneliness, parang masaya din naman pala, no, na I can do what I wanted, no? May puwang, pero you're enjoying. Kumbaga, you're making the most of what was given to you at this current moment, no? With the World card and the Eight of Cups, it doesn't mean that you don't love the person, you still do love your person. However, ang nakikita ko dito, mas fino-focus mo yung sarili mo sa mga possibilities na pwedeng mangyari at pwedeng mong matutunan. The Magician and the Seven of Wands, I think that you are very strategic with things right now. Tulad ng sinabi ko, probably you're focusing on yourself, you're focusing on the ideas, probably nag-aaral ka ng mga bagong, pagkakaabalahan. With the Ace of Cups and the Justice, it felt like this is also the right time, no, for me or that time, no. Probably this was given to me by the universe, no, para mag-focus naman din sa aking sarili. You have been, sabihin natin, talagang nakatutok lang, no, sa relationship. Siguro napabayaan natin yung sarili natin. I feel like this time, what you are doing is more of myself. I think that's not selfish because I have given my everything, no, um, for the longest time dito sa relationship na ito. The Eight of Cups is clarified by the Fool card and the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, this is more of you. I'm seeing here playing, not actually playing around or fooling around, no? But what I am seeing playing is probably having fun, no? Having fun with myself, no? Having fun of, parang ang sarap ng feeling ng, hindi naman sa namimiss mo, baka namiss mo rin yung pagiging single, no? It could be a mixture of physical and energetic separation in here. I think that what you wanted to do is to earn money on your own, no? Uh, with the Seven of Pentacles, the Hanged One, the Queen of Cups, and the Queen of Swords, I know palaban talaga si Capricorn, but it felt like you are gaining a lot of knowledge as of the moment with the Seven of Pentacles in here. You're waiting. I think that you are becoming independent and you discovered something na, uy, masarap din pala. Masarap din pala kumikita ng sariling pera. Masarap din pala yung nasusunod ko yung gusto ko. Masarap din pala yung um, pinagpaguran ko, no? Tapos, wala akong naririnig. I'm not sure with you, Capricorn, but you are actually loving what you are experiencing right now. I feel like you are driving your life in a good way. The Queen of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Swords again and the Seven of Swords. I feel like kapag tinatanong ka or natanong ka, no, yeah, I still love my person. Pero kasi sa isip mo, but I love myself more. Namimiss mo si person? Yes. Pero sana, wag mo na siyang umuwi, no? Pero sana wag mo na siyang magpakita. I need this time to discover a lot of things about myself, no? Yun yung nakikita ko sa iyo, Capricorn. So let's see here. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. Pasensya na ha kung pikit ako ng pikit at saka nakaganyan ako. Sobra kasi yung ilaw. Hindi ako sanay sa mga shoot na ganito. Ayan. You are the light at the end of my tunnel and I can't not right now. So, para kasing may refusal, para kang merong wall, para kang merong bakod, no? Hanggang diyan ka lang, nakikita tayo, pero you cannot enter pa muna, no? My life. I'm enjoying. So, Capricorn, this is your reading. Let's check, no? The zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo. Did I just mention Capricorn? Yeah. Aries, Leo, Cancer, Libra, Pisces, Scorpio, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Water signs are complete in here. So yeah, that is your reading, Capricorn. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release ng bagong video. And kung gusto nyo sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi nyo naman po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. no? Capricorn, uh, kung kilalang kilala nyo naman yung sarili ninyo, di ba? So, kung feeling niyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating um, description box. There is a link. So, once you click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Makikita nyo po doon ang unang bubungad is in question form. Sa question form, ibaba nyo lang ng konti kasi hindi siya kasya sa screen ng phone. Sa baba po, nandun po yung mga designated QR codes. So makikita nyo how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a promo, no, na 4 questions plus 1. So take advantage of it. Discounted na yung 4 questions, may libre pang isa. If you also want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? So makikita nyo po yan. Pero kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, pwede naman kayong sumali sa ating raffle, no, ng free reading or personal reading. How to join is to report those fake accounts, no? And then pwede nyo pong screenshot yung reports ninyo and send it to the designated email. Ayan. Pag nagapi po natin yan, bubuno tayo ng winner. Ayan. Kung hinahanap nyo naman po itong mga readings natin, no, about exes, if you still care about your ex, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa Facebook kasi may mga videos po na hindi rin naman pinapalabas dito. Nasa Facebook po siya. No? Kung di nyo mahanap, balik kayo dun sa website, makikita nyo yung mga icons sa taas. So, i-click nyo lang yung Facebook icons kung gusto nyo sundan ako sa Facebook or sa TikTok, i-click nyo lang yun. I-route naman kayo doon sa ating social media accounts. So, Capricorn, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Capricorn.